So this is a quick video to show you how to import an audio file with the proper settings on it into a Google slideshow so that the user can click on it and hear the file. Now, I'm starting for the point with this that you've got an MP3 format audio file, and there's a lot of different ways to make that depending on your platform and your device and things like that. But I'm assuming you've got that made. So once you've got an MP3 file made, as we can see here on the desktop up over my head, there's this little file called dopamine intro. And so what I want to do is, that's an audio file, it's an MP3, it's got the whole introduction to the learning assignment in an audio format rather than text. So I want to get this into the slideshow so that students can click on it and play it and listen to my voice. So here is on the browser window that you see here, I've got the files that are attached to this improving distance learning assignments. And all I'm going to do really is just grab the dopamine file and drag it over this window so that it starts uploading into the folder here, and that's going to take just a little bit of time. There, it's complete. Now, this is a very key step, and it's easy to forget it. You need to go in and set the sharing settings on this file. So let's go share. We want to do it, not anyone, actually anyone with the link can view. That's perfectly. So we're going to just click that and it's done. If it's not that way, actually, let me just show you real quick how to do that. If it's not already set up that way, you click on this, and then it's under more, and it's anyone with the link. Make sure that that's set. Otherwise, this Google treats this like a regular Google document. So you have to turn on sharings for the audio file. Otherwise, when they click on it, they won't be able to get access. So now I've set up this file here as I want to. Let's come into the slideshow. So I've recreated that assignment now. It's kind of a mess because I'm still working on it. But basically, instead of all this text up here, that audio file is going to replace it all. So I'm going to kind of move this out and just kind of space this out just a little bit here. Let's just pull it down for now. I'll clean this up later. So what I want to do is I want to have the audio file right here. So when I go to share the presentation, students can just click on that and they can hear that whole first part rather than have to read it. So the question is, how can I do this? And what I want to do here is I want to insert audio. And it's going to come through, and here is that one. It's actually the latest one that's up there. That's very convenient. You might have to navigate to it, but let's just select that one. And now it pulls this little audio file here, and you can see the play bar underneath it. I'm just going to drag this right over here. Now, I'm going to clean this assignment up in a little bit. You'll see the final version. But now, when I go to View, Share, Present, and this is what students will see when they get it, you can kind of see this little button up here, and then you probably won't be able to, let me see if I can turn up the desktop audio a little bit on this. Maybe it'll work. You can play this file.
Greetings, everyone. I hope you had a good weekend and are ready to get learning this week.
There we go.
This week we'll reach May, so we've...
Stop it again. So instead of having to read that whole mountain of text in that first part, students can click on that and read it. So this is really good for lower level readers. It's also good if you just want to reduce a lot of the text dependency in an assignment. And this is a way to clean this assignment up a little bit. Now, I'll clean up the display here and everything like that in a moment. So it's not going to, things are kind of, pieces are all over the place. But that's basically how you import an audio file into a Google slide presentation and get it so when the user clicks on it, they can hear it. And again, that key part is make sure you set the setting file, the sharing file on the audio file so that anybody with the link can view it. That's all there is to it.